Question number 6. Part of the respiratory system that prevent food particles from entering the respiratory system. A. Nasal septum. B. Trachea. C. Epiglottis. D. Larynx. The correct answer for sure is C. The epiglottis. If I extend the answer a little bit and extend the explanation, I'm gonna saying here that here is the pharynx, which is a common pathway for both air and food. And here there is the epiglottis, that when there is a food to be swallowed, it will be closing the pharynx, so the esophagus will not be blocked, and suffocation will be avoided as long as the epiglottis closes the top of the trachea, and the food will easily flow through the esophagus to the stomach.